Alright, today I'm going to be talking about the scaling of the new fan manga of One Punch Man, or what fans call it Tera 3. Basically here it states that universes have von Neumann ordinality in an inaccessible way. And right now I see absolute infinity in this scan. Absolute infinity is a concept that suggests an infinitely large and all-encompassing value or state that transcends any conceivable or finite quantity. It is a theoretical idea often used in mathematics and philosophy to discuss the idea of an ultimate or limitless extent or magnitude beyond which nothing greater or more comprehensive can exist. It's important to note that absolute infinity is a philosophical and abstract concept and not a well-defined mathematical or scientific quantity. Before we even get to von Neumann ordinals, let's specify the basic axiom in scaling. Aleph 1, Aleph 2, Aleph 3 and so on. Then you get inaccessible cardinals which only scales high outer versal, unless using axiom inaccessible cardinals which scales baseline boundless, especially Malo cardinal which. Okay, in the von Neumann ordinal hierarchy, each ordinal is defined as the set of all smaller ordinals. For example, the ordinal 0 is represented as the empty set, the ordinal 1 is, the ordinal 2 is, and so on. This construction ensures that each von Neumann ordinal exists as a set, and they form a transfinite sequence that goes on infinitely. The rank of a well-founded set is defined inductively as the smallest ordinal number greater than the ranks of all members of the set. In particular, the rank of the empty set is 0, and every ordinal has a rank equal to itself. The sets in there divided into tetransfinitherarchy, called the cumulative hierarchy, based on their rank. This more general definition allows us to define an ordinal number omega that is greater than every natural number, along with ordinal numbers omega 1, omega 2, etc. Cardinality represents natural numbers along with integer and rational are the same cardinality. However, irrational cardinality is separate set of infinite, that is the concept of those three, the uncountable infinity, and then you get real numbers, which are ordinals that contains the infinity set. However, despite this cardinal chart, the apex cardinal axiom 0 equals 1 or Reinhardt and Berkeley cardinal as well as Tegmark type for which in scaling they easily break tiering system, and these set theories are not even close to compare to the smallest ordinal infinity, since it doesn't even get past the irrational cardinality which the smallest ordinal exceeds. Since Garou managed to conceive the Neumann universe with ease, conceiving existence and non-existence since the Neumann can take a role as a non-existence concept. Thus, since Garou transcended the von Neumann universe and destroyed with ease, leaving both Saitama and Garou to be drifted in a void. Thus the inaccessible carded Neumann universe is viewed by both of them as one-dimensional, which means Garou and Saitama have cosmic awareness. By this, Garou states the von Neumann universes are too small for his perspective view, to the point even a multiverse containing all Neumann universe was just the shape of his palm. Despite Garou's efforts of using all these universes wasn't able to scratch him, even if it meant Garou compressing Saitama in a zero-dimensional paper, which means even this hacks alone might be similar to Murphy-Lawton from CCP. However, Saitama easily broke out like it was nothing. However, I expected this manga would scale high outer versal. But after learning about von Neumann set theories and ordinal infinity set theories, I never expected this would scale this high. I expected it would exceed anime or maybe comparable to DC, but this cosmology is beyond even CCP Chinese branch. World of Darkness, especially Twin Peak. Scaling fails at this moment since Garou himself in low and scales beyond irrelevant layers above tiering system. High end would be impossible to scale. Whoever made this must definitely be cooking. I mean, after researching, this guy is a die-hard math nerd. Like this set theory is already enough top at third place on highest cosmology. I am sure as hell he gave me a new idea for my own verse. This is not OC fallacy, since it is made for entertaining purposes in time of work. And this mathematical scale is accurate, and the show is still ongoing. And yes, absolute infinity is valid in this fan manga. Just the fingertips of God made a menace like him. Please do not take this seriously since it's just a fan manga. It's not like it's actually canon. The cosmology X-aligned in just 4 chapters made it easier for me to understand, unlike reading articles to articles like CCP. However, this could either mean that Tera 3 Garou and Saitama could both be equally matched against Azathoth. We would see if this isn't the end of the cosmology. Lol, and I didn't expect it would be a reality. Now this man who made actually took the word One Punch Man too far.